So hello everyone, this is Barry Overeen from the Liberators.
And Christiaan van.
And we are currently in Amsterdam in the Volks Hotel, and tomorrow we're going to do the immersion workshop about liberating structures. And we've already scheduled another one in November, and the theme for that one is going to be team conflict and how to deal with team conflict. And Christiaan, can you maybe share a bit about how we came up with this theme?
Yes, of course, because what's really nice, Barry and I work with teams a lot. We have always worked with teams a lot, and one of the things we discovered and noticed about ourselves is that our tools for dealing with conflict in teams are quite limited. I'm sure you can have a conversation about it, you can address the elephant in the room if you feel there is one, but if you have conflict in a team, it can be really stressful. It can be I usually become quite anxious when I feel there's conflict in a team and no one's talking about it. So that's a reason for us was to just gather those experiences, to gather strategies, things that help to deal with conflict.
Yeah, because to be honest, I'm often quite sort of like, I have no idea how to handle, how to cope with conflict in a team. It's happened a couple of times to me, and so one of the more serious conflicts was more acting on gut feeling. And my gut feeling, although it seemed to make sense at that moment, wasn't always the best choice. So personally, what I would love to have is get a bit more guidance, maybe get a bit more advice or recommendations on how to productively deal with conflict. So Christiaan, I think you found a couple of people from the US that have a bit more experience on that topic.
Yes, we've, during the global gathering of Liberating Structures in Seattle, I had the pleasure of meeting Huffaker and Dawson from Deeper Funner. We actually did a session there at the open space about team conflict. And the response there was so positive that we invited them over to join us in November to host this workshop with us. And we think it's going to be pretty awesome because we're really good. They are very experienced conflict facilitators and mediators in teams. They have a lot more experience than we do. And together with them, we're going to create a very interactive workshop where it's all about learning from each other. So we're not going to pretend to be the experts. Sure, Julie and Karen and Barry and I also know a little bit about conflict resolution in teams. We're really going to work together to learn from each other.
Cool, that's awesome. Well, I'm going to be there.
Wow, that's nice. I won't be there. No, I will also be there. So we hope to see you there. More information in the description below this video, and sign up for the workshop if you still can, because we're expecting a lot of people to join.
Cool. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.
Bye.